I just got done printing. We got this bottom piece, got the little top piece here. I already put in the little eye screw thing, and I bent it just a little bit so you can still get the thread in there if you need to do that. Otherwise, these are designed around these little metal bars, and these actually I found during the cleanup video that we posted several weeks ago, actually several months ago now. And it came with 2 large and 2 half-size ones. And each of them have these little threaded inserts. So this should actually work perfect. So these are a pressure fit down into the hole like that, and then we will thread on to get the desirable height. Cinch that up, and then this hole here, I did drill it out because I have these little threaded rods which should work just fine for this. Put this in like so, and then put this top piece on, and there's a little bit of a chamfer on this just to help kind of line it up, and just push it in, pressure fit it down, and then kind of hard to see from this angle, but line it up at the top best you can, and there you go.